So, to replace Nissan Leaf second generation mirror, I think any of them, in my case it's drivers. So there's a plastic, there's a pin below, a pin screwdriver, get out. Once this is out, take this one out. Then the screwdriver, pop below here. Come on. Oh, here we go. This is out. Yeah. The screw. Yeah. You open this screw, and there's a one screw, M10 screw here. So take a screwdriver. Pop this out. Yeah, socket M10. I'm not gonna take it off, but basically the clips around the car, just pop them out like that. Up and all the way around. Yeah. Then behind here there are two connectors, like these ones. Yeah. So you take them out, unscrew these screws, M10s, and you basically pull that mirror out. And the same way the new one comes in, connects there, and the reverse process. That's it.